Okay guys, now we are in the backend directory of our project. We are trying to build the containers. We are now building the containers. There we go, and we are creating these containers. We can see that we have right now we are trying to create about the default container for networking the other containers, and the MongoDB, the Postgre, and an instance of the MongoDB for one MFI, and also we have the backend container and the front-end container. The front-end container simply serves the Nix server, and in the backend we have the Django development server running. Now we are going to try to start a coordinator node. We are going to build a coordinator node with the Docker Compose file that is configured with the IP addresses of the two worker nodes. Sorry, we can see that we are in the wrong directory. We have to get back to the parent directory and then build the coordinator node again. And as you can see, we are creating the coordinator node, and both the worker 1 and the worker 2 node are being started because they have been created previously. But we see we have an issue here because we see that the coordinator node was not created successfully because we have an error where we fail to bind the 532 port of our computer to the coordinator node. Now we try to check the status of our containers to see which containers are running. Okay. Okay. Now we are checking to see which containers are running, to check the status of the containers, and we can see that you only have the worker 1 and the worker 2 set as nodes and the other containers, but we do not have the coordinator node because we realized that we had a binding error of the we could not bind it to the port because another process is already using it. Now we will try to check the MongoDB client, how it is set up, and as you can see here, we see how we retry when it has failed to reconnect, and how the instances are created. And now we see how our MFIs are registered in the MongoDB. We can see that moving. Okay, now we see the files here. We see we have our composer file